guys, this is Paul with rcFoamFighters. Welcome back for the continuation of the FF-64 Recon project. Basically, we're just going to go over quickly where I'm at with the project, and then after that we'll get out and see the maiden flight of this airplane. Okay guys, I got the FF-64 Recon about 85% done. Right now most of the electronics are kind of in a temporary placement on the airplane, but they're pretty much where they're going to be in the final location on the airplane. I just got to create some little holes and stuff to put them inside the plane, in the fuselage. But right now they're taped in kind of the actual locations they'll be to get the CG right. So let's take a little bit closer look at it. Okay, the ailerons are basically connected with individual servos, so I can set them up for either spoilerons or flapperons. Right now they're set up in spoileron mode. They'll go up with the 3-position switch. There's an individual servo for each side. Okay, on the back of the plane I just did a real basic dual rudder setup. There's a bar that connects each rudder that goes across. And on the side here, there's one individual servo for the rudder. Between the two large vertical stabilizers, there's one very large elevator. So this should be enough to give the plane nice pitch control. And the motor, we're running a 10.5 prop. This motor is going to be running on a 4S LiPo pack. And the motor is rated at 1100 kV. Okay, right now I just have the basic electronics for the ESC and the receiver just kind of generalized and laid out on top of the fuselage. Later on, once I get everything finalized and test flown, I'll embed them deeper into the fuselage so it'll be more clean and smooth looking. And also, the battery currently right now, I do not have a slot cut into the top of the fuselage. So I'm just mounting it on the side of the plane for some test flights so I can adjust it forward and back to find the finalized placement of it. And after I get that finalized, I will carve a battery slot into the top of the fuselage and be able to slide it in so it's nice and hidden. Okay, the front nose landing gear is steerable and it's basically connected to the rudder channel. Okay, for the initial test flight, I didn't want to put my Contour HD camera in there just in case anything bad happened. So I did make a mock-up camera with some weights in there that are basically the same weight as the actual camera. So for that, I'm just going to place that into the plane to take the place of where the camera's going to go once it is fully dialed in. And right now I just got it taped closed. So basically that's the end of it. Like I said, right now it's about 85% put together, but it's got all the functional pieces and electronics. So let's get out to the park and see how this thing flies. We're going to try and do a maiden flight today. I hope it goes good. So it's pretty windy. We got about, I don't know, there's been gusts over 20 miles an hour, but it's calming down a little bit now, so wish me luck. Oh, yes it works. Okay, let me try the rudder.
Hold on, man. Get it level first, man.
Okay.
Looks like it flies really good, Paul.
That's rudder. It's tilting it a little, but I don't know.
Wasn't bad. You can tell. You can see the tail.
Yeah.
Might just be
Try it when you're flying level.
Might be a little
Yeah, that's rudder there too. So
nice.
it's definitely a lot better. It doesn't roll it as much.
Right.
It still rolls it a little bit.
It's going one way.
Yeah.
Right. That's not a lot more bad.
The Jupiter made it roll a lot more. Yeah, and I think it has the dual rudders. That's about a quarter throttle there. Okay, ready for the speed pass, guy? Not very fast.
Try the climb out. I bet it climbs out pretty good.
It weighs a little, 4 pounds, 1 ounce. Putting out about 5 pounds of thrust. So, yeah. So it looks pretty good. Right now I just have a test weight in there instead of my HD camera because I just wanted to test it before I put the expensive camera in there. So it looks like it's very stable though.
What KF airfoil you got on there, Paul?
Got a KFm2. It is a little gusty up there. Okay. So far, knock on wood, this is going okay. I probably won't put the camera on today since it is super high winds. But next time when I come out here, hopefully it'll be better wind conditions and we'll get some HD video out of it. You can see it, those big tail fins are vertical stabilizers. They'll be catching the wind when I go slow. It's like big
Yeah, did you do a glide test? See how your CG is? So it looked like it was just a little bit nose heavy.
Yeah, here I'll try and come in low for you. Yeah, the wind is very gusty up there. Rock a little bit.
Remember, land into the wind.
We got crossed.
Use the runway.
Hey. Oh, crap. Hey, wind.
Try and land come up towards us. It's kind of blowing that way.
Okay, guys.
Aim for the runway.
Harry.
Maiden landing might be a little harder.
Yeah.
Got flaps on that end?
I got flapper on.
Yeah, he's coming in at an angle, man. That looks crazy.
Not the water. Shit. Hang on, do it again. Yeah.
Yeah, you got a long runway, Paul.
Oh, baby. Gliding. Let's glide there.
It's gliding sideways, man.
Oh,
Look at
he's
that.
on
Oh, he's gonna do a parachute. That is so crazy. Look at that. Woo. Awesome.
Okay, guys. That was maiden flight. A little bit hairy with the strong winds, but I'm very happy with the way it flew. So look for more of the FF-64 Recon coming up in the future.
Okay guys, that'll pretty much complete the video portion on the FF-64 Recon. So far I'm pretty glad with how the build is coming along, and I was really happily impressed with how the maiden flight went. Seems like the plane is really pretty much dialed in, so now I just need to finalize all the placements of the electronics and stuff like that and get it fully taped up. And after that we can get out and start doing some HD video recording with the onboard camera. So thanks again for joining me for this video, and real quick before you go, I got a couple quick peeks at some projects that John and Tim, our teammates, are working on. So stay tuned for that, and thanks again for joining me.
Okay, guys, I got John here. He's let me do a sneak peek on his new plane. What is this, John?
This is my Skyfighter version 4 with approval from Frank to use the Skyfighter, but I streamlined it a little bit, changed a couple of the angles, moved vertical stabs out, and whitened it up a little bit.
Yeah, it looks good and stable for the high winds we have today. We're having the winds probably gust up to over 20 miles an hour.
What happened?
You cut out already? Yeah. That was good. Oh, shake it for the water. Not in the water either. Okay guys, hey, we got Tim here from the Bloody Mix squad of the rcFoamFighters group. He's here showing me his boombox. It's his new UAV type plane. You want to tell us a little bit about it, Tim?
You betcha. I went with a plank style wing. It's just a nice straight rectangle. Comes in right about 60 inches. Overall length I think was 44 inches. The views on it is bulletproof EPP. I've got some reflective tape. The wing right now is only held on with some Velcro. It mounts to carbon fiber arrow shafts going down for my booms with zip ties. Got some stripes on the bottom. Shameless plug for me. That's my ham radio call sign.
And that's a KFm2 on that
That
wing?
is correct. This is the KFm2, and it's a, I think, 12-inch cord. 12-inch cord all the way down, one end to the other. As easy as it gets.
Okay guys, Tim's going to be doing a lot more videos on this plane. You can see it on their channel, rcFF Bloody Mix. So you can see, I'll put a link in this video to their channel. If you guys want to see more information on Tim's boombox, please go to their channel and look at that.